This year, because of you, our donors, we were able to launch a couple of new courses. One that was our groundbreaking hip-hop course, and another that was the third in our series of 5 Asian music courses, the Music of South Asia. We were also able to start updating some of our older courses, like our pop course and our musicals course. And we've also been able to create a few new K2 courses, including Latin American music, hip hop, the Music of South Asia, and K2 pop.
Thanks to your support, we've been able to build and launch 4 online self-paced professional development courses on music for well-being. These are not just for music teachers, but for general educators as well. And now we're able to create a coalition of education experts and practitioners who are supporting students' self-regulation and learning through music.
Hi, I'm Shannon. I joined the team this year and I'm working to grow our partnerships and bring music workshops, incredible professional development to schools and districts everywhere. Thank you so much for your support. It allows us the opportunity to share music workshop story and impact with the education community and beyond.
As a member of the music workshop team for the last 12 years, I want to thank you for your ongoing support. We are currently working on new collaborations with other nonprofits and corporations and individuals in the community that are helping us to bring even more exciting new content to our students and our teachers. Thank you.
This year alone, we have grown our membership by more than 2,500 schools, bringing music education to over 850,000 more students. Your support helps Music Workshop inspire students worldwide. Thank you.
This year was full of connection, inspiration, and growth, and we couldn't have done it without you. Thank you so very much for all of your support, helping us keep music education in our schools. Music is for everyone.